Hey, welcome back to another video of eTechs. In this video, we are going to learn how to roleplay in Character AI. To roleplay in Character AI, follow these steps. First, you can create or select a character. You can either create a custom character with a specific trait, backstory, and personality, or select an existing character from the platform. You can provide context for the roleplay. This could include the setting, situation, or any characters involved. If you are using a custom character, you can set specific instructions or prompts for how the character should behave in the roleplay. Begin by typing the message that introduces the roleplay scenario. The character will respond according to its trait and the context you have set. Continue the conversation in character, interacting based on a story or scenario you have established. The AI will adapt to your responses and roleplay accordingly. Use descriptive language to build the world and make the experience more immersive. You can set character expectation at the beginning, for example, their tone and personality. Remember, Character AI is based on a model that reacts to your input, so creativity in your prompts help guide the roleplay. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.